Good morning, people. Going to talk about giving up coffee and, well, my personal experience giving up coffee. And to help me give up coffee, I replaced it with this, which is Barley cup. So coffee is a drug. If you're into any kind of health and fitness, coffee won't be good for your mental and physical health. It is basically the caffeine is a natural pesticide, which when you ingest it, it will make your body produce adrenaline, and you will get that fight or flight feeling. It's not actually energy. Caffeine isn't energy. It's basically just making your body produce adrenaline, like I said. So this is carb based. So this is energy. So when you have this, it will give you energy rather than the adrenaline. There are a lot of long-term physical damage that caffeine can do to your body, like lack of sleep. Especially I'm talking about long-term caffeine use. I mean, you think of everyone, I don't know anyone that doesn't drink tea or coffee or chocolate on a regular basis. Like my family drinks tea and coffee, probably 4, 5, 6, 7 cups a day, every single day. Can you imagine the damage it's doing to your adrenals? A lot of people on thyroid medications now. I know a few people on thyroid medications. You get to a certain age and your adrenals are just burnt out, and you have to go on medications, which is good for the pharmaceutical industry. They love it. It's the best business model in the world. But yeah, I mean, I don't know hardly anybody that doesn't have caffeine regularly. So I suggest this is what I did. I mean, I'm not. It's up to you guys what you want to do, but this is what I did because I'm into health fitness. I gave up caffeine in, what year was it? I think it's 2012. 2012, I gave up caffeine. And of course, went vegan in 2013. But yeah, that's my recommendation, Barley cup. I mean, that's you can get different variations, different brands of the same thing. These are like, let's see if I can show you what they are without spilling it. It's just like coffee. I mean, they put chicory in it, which someone said a few weeks ago they used to do in the old days to make, when they didn't have coffee, they put chicory in stuff to make it like a coffee substitute. But this is so much healthier than coffee, and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to give up caffeine. And you know, I mean, I do have a little bit of caffeine here and there. Not in tea or coffee, but chocolate, maybe now and again, like dark chocolate, vegan chocolate, but very limited amounts, you know, so it's not going to do long-term damage to my body, which is, you know, I want to be healthy when I'm old. I want to be healthy all the time. I've done my bad health days, are been and gone, and now I'm on that healthy path. So I recommend this to anyone that wants to give up coffee, and I recommend, or tea. Caffeine's in tea and decaf. That's another thing people say to me, I have decaf. Well, I definitely wouldn't have decaffeinated coffee, simply because of all the chemicals that are used to make take the caffeine out of caffeine, which to me doesn't make sense, because it's like taking wet out of water. How can you do that? The caffeine bean is the caffeine bean. It just doesn't make sense. But I think that's a load of BS anyway. But they add a load of chemicals to it, so it's even worse for you. So yeah, my recommendations as a health coach is to give up the caffeine, go vegan, high carb vegan. You know, get those carbs in however you can. And carbs doesn't mean pastry. Carbs doesn't mean fat. It means carbohydrates, rice, pasta, table sugar, potatoes, vegetables, fruits. That's the carbs I mean. Not sausage rolls. That's not carbs. Okay, I'll end it there. Have a good one, everyone, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, you know the drill. Thanks for watching. Cheers for that.